Welcome to Bike Zone, where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles. In today's video, we're exploring the highly anticipated 2025 Suzuki RMZ 1050. From its performance enhancements to its cutting-edge technology, we'll cover everything you need to know about Suzuki's latest offering, so let's rev up and get started. Design and aesthetics, while performance is crucial, Suzuki hasn't neglected the visual appeal of the RMZ 1050. The design is sleek and aggressive, featuring sharp lines that give it a futuristic look. The bold color scheme, which includes a combination of matte and gloss finishes, gives the bike an impressive presence. The bodywork is designed to be more aerodynamic, with streamlined fairings and a slim profile. This reduces wind resistance and allows for better handling at higher speeds. The RMZ 1050 also includes a revised seat design, offering comfort for long rides while ensuring better rider positioning. A glimpse into the 2025 Suzuki RMZ 1050. The 2025 Suzuki RMZ 1050 has arrived with a whole new level of performance, design, and technology that promises to take off-road enthusiasts to new heights. This isn't just another dirt bike. It's a finely tuned machine engineered to dominate the trails. Suzuki has put a significant amount of work into the RMZ 1050, building on the success of previous models but adding more power, agility, and durability to this new release. At its core, the RMZ 1050 features a 1050cc four-stroke engine that delivers incredible torque and power. Whether you're tackling steep climbs, sandy dunes, or muddy trails, the RMZ 1050 is designed to conquer it all with ease. The engine's tuning offers a perfect balance of power delivery for both professional racers and recreational riders. Technology and features. Suzuki didn't stop with performance upgrades. The 2025 RMZ 1050 comes packed with advanced technology to enhance your riding experience. A new digital instrument cluster gives riders real-time information on speed, fuel, lap times, and much more. The dashboard's clarity is unmatched and it's fully customizable to meet the needs of the rider. Moreover, the RMZ 1050 introduces traction control in multiple power modes. Riders can now fine-tune the bike's power delivery, choosing between different riding modes for varied conditions, such as sand, mud, or gravel. The traction control system ensures better grip, especially on slippery or uneven surfaces, offering a more confident ride. Engine and performance. The heart of any motorcycle is its engine, and the RMZ 1050 doesn't disappoint. The 1050cc engine is tuned for maximum torque, offering a strong low-end grunt while still being responsive at high RPMs. This gives riders the best of both worlds: smooth power for tight corners and aggressive power for wide open spaces. Suzuki has integrated advanced fuel injection and an optimized exhaust system that maximizes engine performance, ensuring efficient power delivery without sacrificing performance. The bike also boasts a new cooling system that prevents overheating during long rides, giving riders confidence on those long trail adventures. Chassis and handling. When it comes to off-road riding, handling is crucial, and the RMZ 1050's chassis has been reworked to offer superior agility. The frame is made from a lightweight yet strong alloy, reducing overall weight and enhancing maneuverability. This helps riders take tight turns and react to obstacles with ease. The RMZ 1050 features a newly designed suspension system offering enhanced stability and improved shock absorption. The front and rear suspensions have been upgraded with high-performance, fully adjustable components to help riders adapt to various terrains. Whether you're jumping over rocks or navigating rough terrain, the RMZ 1050 stays planted and smooth. Durability and reliability. Suzuki is known for making reliable bikes, and the RMZ 1050 is no exception. This bike is built to withstand the toughest conditions with enhanced components designed for durability. Whether you're riding in extreme heat or muddy conditions, the RMZ 1050's high-quality materials and protective coatings ensure it remains resilient. Additionally, Suzuki has improved the maintenance intervals, ensuring that the RMZ 1050 requires fewer maintenance checks, allowing riders to spend more time on the trail and less time in the shop. Conclusion: the 2025 Suzuki RMZ 1050 is a game-changer in the world of off-road motorcycles. With its powerful engine, advanced technology, improved chassis, and stunning design, it's a bike that's ready for any challenge. Whether you're a competitive racer or a weekend warrior, This bike offers a perfect blend of performance and reliability. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Zone. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on all the latest bikes. Keep riding, and we'll see you in the next one.